Mahatir is an employee and a labor union leader at a company called KBL.co. KBL.co is an Indonesian video game multinational company that works in various fields of the video game industry.
Attention everybody, attention. I have some announcement for you all that I've changed some rules, take out some facilities in this company, and I have to cut off your salary.
Hey boss, you can do it like that.
Talking to me like that isn't a good way to deliver your opinion. If you want to talk with me, I'll be on my room.
Hey Ma, you know that our union member is only 5% like, including us. So we need more union members so that our voices can be heard by the boss.
Okay, I'm agree with your plan, but first we make our registration form and share it with other employee.
Okay, I will do it.
Okay.
Okay. Mahatir and Dicky distributed the registration form that they made to meet the requirements to create a union labor, where the minimum membership of the union labor is 30% of the total workers. After the workers register, they are given understanding and training about union labor.
Everyone, welcome to KBL Union's Labor.
Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever.
Mahatir explained what is union labor, the functions, and the objective of union labor. Mahatir also explained the Indonesian and World Labor Union activities.
Anywhere beneath the sun, yet what force on earth is weaker than the feeble strength of one? But the union makes us strong. Solidarity forever.
So we make an offer to the boss, and I'm, as a leader of this union, make an agreement with the boss about the salary, rules, and facility.
Mahatir asked the union labor members to make an offer and submit it to the boss so that their rights as employees get back.
There's power in the factory, power in the land, power in the hand of the worker. But it all amounts to nothing if together we don't stand. There is power in a union. Now the lessons of the past were all learned with workers' blood. Mistakes of the bosses we must pay for. From the cities and the farmlands to trenches full of mud. War has always been the bosses' way, sir. The union forever defending our rights. Down with the black man.
Come in. Have a seat. Okay, what makes you come here to my room?
Okay, sir. My name is Maha. I'm the leader of company trade union in here. So I represent the voices of all other employees that come into trade union that react about your announcement yesterday.
Okay, I'm listening.
So the other union friends strongly rejected about your announcement about the new regulation, facility, and new salary that exist in this company because we think all is taking away our rights.
I'm gonna stop you right there because I know where this conversation is heading to. Actually, it's not my decision to make. I don't want to make this regulation. But if you look closely, if you look in every detail of this company's situation, our company's profit is declining because due to the new arrival of the new company that compete with us.
But you cannot arbitrary our salary, withdraw our facility, and change our regulations, sir. Me and my union friend have been negotiated and put it in the regulation this paper, sir. So, please read it. Me and my friend are involved with this company, sir. We are a loyal people. If you agree with the offer that we provide, sir, we will work harder and not leave it this company before the contract is over.
But I don't trust 100% with the employee.
But sir, about the problem was trusting the employee. We are all have worked in here for 10 years. We can feed our wife about 10 years in here, sir. So we belong to this company, sir. If you are still don't trust us, how we can work about 10 years, sir? So please consider it, sir.
Okay, I'll accept your offer, but you have to keep your promise. Don't leave this company before your contract is over. Am I clear?
Of course, you can count on me, sir.
Okay, you can leave now. Tomorrow, I will announce our new regulation for all the employees.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Finally, the offer they made was approved by the boss, and the purpose of the union labor was achieved. That is, to obtaining pay and working conditions that satisfies members and giving members a voice in decisions that affect them. They do the collective bargaining, namely negotiation between union representative and management representative to arrive at a contract defining the conditions of employment for the terms of the contract and to the administrator that contract, by mediating between the leader of union labor and the boss. And they agree on integrative bargaining that looks for win-win solution, or outcomes in which both sides benefit. If the organization labor cost hurt its performance, integrative bargaining might seek to avoid layoff in exchange for work rules that improve productivity.
With our brothers and our sisters in many far-off lands, there is power in our union. Now I long for the morning that they realise brutality and unjust laws cannot defeat us. But who'll defend the workers who cannot organise, and the bosses send their lackeys out to cheat us? Money speaks for money, the devil for his own. Who comes to speak for the skin and the bone? What a comfort to the widow, a light to the child. There is power in our union. together